Okay.
Here is our new innovative turn signal switch.
I see.
First, we connect the turn signal switch to the sub-wire harness. And then we connect the high beam to the sub-wire harness. Next, we connect the sub-wire harness to the main wire harness. And then we connect the headlights to the sub-wire harness. And then connect the high beam to the sub-wire harness. So the first stage is the front position lights and rear position lights. And then here is the low beam. Here is the high beam. High beam is with the blue indicator lights. Here is the emergency lights. Here's the left turn signal. Here's the right turn signal. And you can flip the turn signal switch to activate the high beam.
Good.